Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford Raptor. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost high output engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have LED lights right there, as well as on the other side as well. We do have that nice backup camera right there, as well as rear park sensing, two tow hooks on the back, as well as a dual exhaust. Moving to the side, we do have these nice fender flares as well on all wheel wells, and we do have a nice gripped running board on each side of the vehicle, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. And they are branded with the Raptor logo, which is pretty cool. And moving to the front, we do have those LED lights on the front half as well, as we see there. We also have that front-facing camera, that license plate bracket, two tow hooks, a nice skid plate right there, as well as that nice Ford Raptor grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up that vehicle. Taking a look inside, we can see here that this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. And if you don't need that 5th additional person, you can always pull that down for some extra arm space and 2 cup holders. As we can see on the seats, we do have a nice perforated black leathering with some nice textured cloth and a nice silver metallic leathering as well. We have 2 cup holders back here, as well as a 12-volt outlet, 2 heated seats, 2 USBs, and a 110-volt outlet right there. We also do have inflatable seat belts, which are pretty neat, and plenty of door room. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see that the seats are powered with the same black leathered perforated seats, as well as the nice cloth and metallic leathering we saw, with the nice Raptor logo on each of the front seats. We do have plenty of door space and memory seating for up to 3 drivers, your pedal adjusters right there, parking brake, and your 2 blind spot detections. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 175,214 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, we do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with the nice red accents on it. In the Raptor logo, we have our volume and voice controls. We can change our drive mode here, which are normal, deep sand and snow, Baja, rock crawl, awesome, and we do have nice sport, tow and haul, and and slippery. We can also change the feel of the steering wheel, which is normal, sport, and comfort. You have your phone controls down there, your cruise control, and your toggle for your main screen. But you can go through trip 1, fuel economy, towing info, my view, trip and fuel, which is trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, navigation, auto stop and auto start, as well as truck info such as measurements, gauge, tire pressure, digital speedometer, and engine information, towing such as towing status, trailer light check, and so on and so forth, off-road such as Raptor status, which is pretty cool, power distribution, and other settings. We do have 2 paddle shifters on each side, which is pretty cool. And looking over here, we do have a nice carbon fibered gear shift, which you can adjust your speeds there. We have a nice little phone slot here, 2 cup holders, a fair bit of cubby space down here, and 2 USBs. We do have your trailer disconnect there, and your Pro Trailer Assist, as well as your rear axle lock and your 4-wheel drive capabilities. You do have dual climate up here, so no need to fight over the temperature. And you have heated and cooled front seats, which is always good. And you do have that heated steering wheel. You have your media controls there, 12-volt outlet and 110-volt outlet. You have your auto stop and auto start, your 360 view of the vehicle, which is pretty cool, hazards, your trailer control, and your traction control. Looking at your main screen, you have your audio, which is Sirius XM compatible. You can control your climate from here. Any phones that have been connected. Navigation, so you don't get lost. Any apps you may have downloaded. Come on. And settings such as Bluetooth, phone, mobile apps, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatible, which is always nice, and valet mode. And looking above my head, we do have those 6 upfitter switches, which you can program however you please. You do have your twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And if you look up here again, we can see that we do have that rear window opener, which is always handy. And looking in here, we do have plenty of cargo space, with this being able to move side to side or take it out completely, providing you with another 12-volt outlet right there. The stock number for this vehicle is B7558, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.